Here's my top YouTube equipment for beginners on a budget. From lighting to audio, I've got you covered. But here's the question, can we get it all for under $100 US? Let's find out. Okay, so when it comes to your YouTube equipment list for making videos, there are essentially 4 pieces of equipment that you need to make a quality video. 1, a camera, 2, a light, 3, microphone, and 4, stabilization. So I've tested out and used a ton of different equipment on a budget to see if you can still make a quality looking video. Here's the rundown. Now, I'm gonna assume that you already have a camera on your phone. And so that's what I want you to use for your camera is the camera on your phone. And so for this, we're gonna put $0 because there's no added costs to your equipment since you already have it. So we're gonna focus on the other 3 pieces of gear, stabilization, lighting, and audio. And number 1, what we're gonna talk about is stabilization. That way your video is nice and steady and you don't accidentally give your viewers a headache from shaky footage. So after testing out different budget-friendly stabilization gear, my go-to tripod on a budget is the Amazon Basics tripod. I love that this tripod can get tall, up to 5 feet tall. It's lightweight and it has level bubbles so that you can make sure your video is nice and level and not crooked. So I'm about 5'8", and this is tall enough for me to get this is super tall. Obviously I wouldn't put it this tall, but it's so great. I love it because even for really tall people, even if you're 6 feet tall, you could use this tripod, which is great. Now you'll also need a phone adapter like this. This is an adapter, and again, I'll have the links to both of these things below. But this is the Vastar phone adapter. It's super handy. You're just gonna take the end of it and screw it on to the plate, the tripod plate up here. And then it's so handy. You can loosen this and make it taller. You can just put your phone in, tighten it down there. And what I love about it is that you can shoot vertically like this or horizontally. So all you do is loosen this side right here and flip it around and tighten it. So it's pretty great. I love it. At the time of this recording, the tripod is just $25 US and the phone adapter is $8 US. Now, the links to all of the gear I'm going to talk about are in the description below this video. And by the way, if we haven't met yet, I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner showing you how to make amazing videos so your business can make more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Our second piece of gear we need is a light. And I've tested out lots of different lights. And my favorite light on a budget is this one right here. It's the Mount Dog Softbox Lighting Kit. And what makes it so great is, number 1, it's pretty big. Because when it comes to lighting, the bigger the light, the better you look. And the scrim that you put over this light actually makes the light bigger and softer, which is super flattering on your face. And it has 3 color temperatures. Daylight, which is great if you're filming yourself in a room where you have some window light shining on your face. It also has tungsten, which is a warmer temperature with an orange hue to it. And it has a temperature in between the two. It also comes with a light stand. Oh, and what's cool is it has this remote. So you can literally turn it on and off with this remote, and you can make it brighter and dimmer. So you just click on the up arrow to make it brighter. Woo. pretty bright. And then the down arrow to make it dimmer. That's so cool, I think. Oh my word. At the time of this recording, the light is just $50 US, but they have a $10 off coupon right now. So it's only $40 US, bringing our total so far to just $73. And just a heads up, if you want to learn how to put all of these pieces of gear together and film yourself professionally on a phone, then be sure to watch my free training video. The link is in the description below. You'll be able to film in any location, even if your house is a mess. Like, don't worry, it'll still look fantastic. I show you the secrets and how to look better on video than in real life. So be sure to click the link in the description below. Alrighty, the last piece of equipment we need to make a quality video is a microphone. So I tested out a ton of different budget-friendly microphones, and my favorite is right here, this lavalier made by Movo. I love it because it has a long cable, meaning you don't have to be super close to your phone. And you can also use it if you're recording on your computer or a fancy camera. Plus, it sounds fantastic. And now just a quick little tip here. If you have an iPhone, you will need an adapter to use this microphone since iPhones don't have audio jacks. If it's an iPhone 8 to 14, you'll need a Lightning to audio jack adapter. And if you have an iPhone 15 or higher, you'll actually need this microphone, the Movo U-Lab. And don't worry, it costs the same as the other microphone with the adapter. Okay, so let's go ahead and pin this lavalier onto my shirt. Now, one of the key things is you want to make sure that you put this under your shirt. You don't want to just let the cable dangle because it doesn't look good. It looks pretty sloppy and unprofessional. So go ahead and put it under your shirt just like that. And what you can do is pin this right at the top like so. But I'm going to show you a little hack. One of my favorite things to do to hide the lavalier is, if you're a woman, you can pin this onto your bra, like in the middle of your cleavage area. It works really great actually. Or you can pin this at the top of your shirt, and if you have long hair, you can cover it with your hair. Just make sure that your hair doesn't like swish all over the place and you're not like super, you know, have crazy movements. Otherwise, that'll make the microphone sound a little weird and you'll hear whooshing sounds. So choose either option, or you can just, if you want, you can show it. It's not a big deal either. Okay, then when you first plug in your microphone to your phone will ask you if you're connecting a pair of headphones. So make sure and click on headphones so that way your phone will recognize it as a microphone. Okay, so I went ahead and pinned the lavalier under my shirt, inside my bra, and the smartphone option is clicked down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my phone and let's see the difference. Okay, so now the microphone is plugged into my phone. Can you hear the difference? So that like little hollowy sound earlier without the microphone is gone now. You now sound more full, and it's just better quality audio. And what I love about this is that this has a 20-foot long cord. Pros and cons. Con is don't get it tangled up, or you're gonna spend a few minutes detangling it. But I love that you can like scoot back from your phone and you still sound great, because without a microphone, if you're this far away, it's gonna sound pretty bad, and people, your viewers, are gonna have a hard time hearing you. At the time of this recording, the microphone is only $13 US. And if you need the adapter, like if you have an iPhone, that's just $7, bringing our grand total to $93 US. We did it, guys, under $100. you can film a quality video. And again, if you want to learn how to put all of these together, the gear together, and film yourself professionally on a phone so you look amazing, then be sure to download my free training video and guide. The link is below in the description. And of course, the links to all of the gear in this video are in the description below as well. Next up, be sure to watch this playlist that I put on the screen on filming basics, so that way you can make fantastic looking videos. Now, if you don't see the video up on the screen, it means you're not on the YouTube app, so I'll also put the link to this playlist in the description below. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video.